Hello guys, welcome to my MP Coding YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to run our first Go program. So let's do it. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to update with my new videos. Then let's go on. Here I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as my code editor. So if you wish to use Visual Studio Code, you have to download it first. For that, you have to go to Visual Studio Code official site. Here you can download Visual Studio Code for Windows, Linux or Mac OS. So if you need this link to download Visual Studio Code, you can get it from my description box. Okay, that's fine. Okay, before running your Go code here, you have to install Go extension first. Then only Visual Studio Code will be able to understand Go codes. For that, click here and type here Go. Then we'll display all the Go extension here. So we have to install Go extension which need for our development. I am going to install these Page Go language support for Visual Studio Code. Okay, it's done. Then after, we need to create our Go project first. For that, we need to go to our Go path, click here. This is our Go path and create a new folder here and it name as Hello Go. Okay. And then I open it here that I created one in Go path. Okay. Then create your first Go file and it name as hello.go. Here Visual Studio Code asks you to install some Go extension, but for this extension doesn't need, so I just ignore those. Okay, it's done. So when you code here, you have to follow Go structure. It's not like this. Package, package main is a package name and it should be main package. And then define import statement. Then I import fmt package and it for print the thing in terminal. Then after define main function. Then here print statement. Sorry. Hello. Go. This I going to print. Okay. Then going to run my first code. For that, run this command. Go run. Go run space dot and enter. Okay. Here given some error. Is there Go mode file not found in current directory or any parent directory. So that means we need to create Go mode file too. For that, run this command Go mode init and name for the Go mode file and then enter. Okay, it created. This the Go mode file, and here manage all the dependency which need for our Go project. Okay, now we can run this code and save it first and then run it again. Go run space dot enter. Okay, cool. Here is our output, and here I finish my first Go program. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I will bring you to Go fundamentals. So stay tuned with us. Subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification about my new videos.